The rust is extensive here. We can't use the standard lift points.
Agreed. We'll need to cradle it with the straps and take it slow.
Connection secure. All right, send it up slow. Easy now, keep it straight. Slow down, slow down. It's touching the bed. More, steady. Hey. Okay, hold it, we're clear. Look at this crack on the fender here. The windshield is completely delaminated.
Yeah, I see it. The whole front clip is compromised. All right, got the last bolt loose here. Careful, watch the wiring harness. Let's lift it together. Coolant hoses are off. All right, labeling them now. Next are the fuel lines. A little higher, watch the chains. Okay, hold it there. Still seeing some low spots here under the guide coat. Bring the light over. Yeah, we need to feather that edge and reapply filler precisely there.
Engine stable at idle. Everything looks nominal from here. Copy that. No fluid leaks detected. Final inspection complete. Everything looks good.
Agreed. Excellent work.
As you can see, the engine rebuild is flawless. Every component meticulously restored. The attention to detail is remarkable. It exceeds my expectations.
Press this to start. Gentlemen, the sound is magnificent. Flawless work.
Everything seems to be in order here. Excellent. Pleasure doing business with you. Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate the hard work. Enjoy the drive. Thank you both. The restoration is magnificent.